Welcome to the FreedomCare app. This video will walk you through on how to submit a daily report. Remember, you're only allowed to submit your daily report after 3 p.m. each day. Step 1. Log into the app using your caregiver code and password. Step 2. On the main screen, you'll see the Daily Report button. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 3. Select the patient you are submitting your daily note for. For this example, we are submitting for Ingrid Test. Step 4. The next screen will pull up your recent visits. Go ahead and tap on today's visit. Step 5. Next, it will bring you to a series of questions to go over your day with the patient. These questions may vary depending what state you reside in. Answer the questions accurately, adding any necessary notes. Then tap Next to proceed. Step 6. Once all questions have been answered, tap Submit at the bottom right-hand corner. A PDF version of your daily notes will appear, confirming that you have successfully submitted your report.